Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nitin Chhoda and welcome to Ignition Time. Thank you so much for being a viewer, for being a subscriber. I really appreciate you watching. I've seen many comments from our viewers and subscribers asking for more information, asking for a more detailed analysis of this breaking news alert that just came out, and I'll cover breaking news alerts from either side, so I'm happy to do that. Now, according to this news source, which I will provide you with a link to the news source in the description section below. President Trump should be thanked, according to the news source. Okay, this is according to the news source, so don't, please, I know, I understand the passions that exist on both sides, and I'm totally okay with that. According to the news source, President Trump, thanks to essentially a loophole, a tax loophole that was set up through the Obama administration, was able to get millions of dollars in refunds on his own tax return. So this news resource reads, the long arc of failure turned into a giant refund check based on some, I quote, deft accounting footwork and an unwitting gift from an unlikely source, President Obama. Business losses can work like a tax avoidance coupon. A dollar lost on one business reduces a dollar of taxable income from elsewhere. This is actually correct. Me personally, I own 5 different businesses. So the way it works is, let's say if 3 businesses make money, let's say 3 businesses make $10 million and 2 businesses lose $10 million, my effective tax liability in that case is 0, assuming I'm the owner of all the businesses. So that part is correct. That's how the tax law is written. That's how the tax law works. And I do believe that, a lot of individuals now will be taking a very close look at all of this throughout the country, and I think all of us should be aware of how taxes work. So a dollar lost on one business reduces a dollar of taxable income from elsewhere. The types and amounts of income that can be used in a given year vary depending on an owner's tax status, but some losses can be saved for later use or even requested or even be used to request a refund of taxes paid in the prior year. This, by the way, is exactly what the president did. So until 2009, I just want to be clear, those coupons could be used to wipe away taxes going back only 2 years. Now keep in mind, in 2009, President Obama was president, but that November, the window was more than doubled. In other words, you could go back 4 years, thanks to a provision in a bill that the president, meaning President Obama, signed as part of the recovery of the Great Recession. So now businesses could request full refunds of taxes paid going back the prior 4 years, not 2 years, but 4 years, and 50% of those from the year prior to that. So that means you could go back 4 years and you could request a refund of those taxes paid, and you could go back to the year prior to that and request 50% of the taxes that were paid. So now I just want to be clear, President Trump had paid no income taxes in 2008, but the change meant that when he filed his taxes in 2009, I'm talking President Trump, he could seek a refund of a $13.3 million payment he had paid in 2007, but also the combined $56.9 million paid in 2005 and 2006, when The Apprentice created what was essentially a huge tax liability for the president. So the records indicate that the president filed for the first of several tranches of his refund check several weeks later in January 2010. That set off what tax professionals refer to as, I quote, a quickie refund, a check processed in 90 days on a tentative basis. So the total federal tax income refund actually grew to $70.1 million plus $2.7 million, to be exact, $2,733,184 in interest. The president also received $21.2 million in state and local refunds, which often piggyback on filing. So that is pretty interesting, getting refunds to that extent. And so a significant amount of refunds were received by the president because of a loophole that was created by the Obama administration as the economy was recovering in 2009 with the last Great Recession. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And again, I appreciate you watching. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Please also click like, click subscribe, enable notifications if you learn something new from this video. I'll be covering responses from the president. I'll be covering other aspects of this breaking news as soon as they come in. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.